Certain pieces of pandemic information or data are deemed highly sensitive and should only be released or disseminated to the public on a need-to-know basis. PTV senior correspondent Mela Lesmoras reports on an entreaty by the president's spokesperson to a leading research group of experts in the field to share such pieces of information with the government first before it's released into the public domain.
Nakahanap na ako ng pera. I have the money already for the vaccine. But kahanap pa ako ng maraming pera because, you know, there are now 130 million Filipinos. And to me, ideally, all should have the vaccine without exception.
This was the latest update of President Rodrigo Duterte on the government's response against COVID-19. According to the chief executive, once available, the Philippines can get vaccine from his preferred countries, Russia or China. In line with this, he even had a conversation about the matter with outgoing Russian ambassador to the Philippines, Igor Kovaev.
We had a serious one-on-one talk. And they said that Russia is coming in. Meron lang siguro tinatapos. And they want to establish here. Gagawa sila ng planta. Pharmaceutical naman. And ang vaccine papasok rin sila. Para sa akin, it's either China or Russia, okay na ako.
According to presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, it will be truly beneficial for the Philippines if Russia will push through with their plans.
That's a very good news for us kasi nga ang problema ngayon, number one, magkaroon man ng bakuna, ilan ang mabibili natin given na yung mga mayayamang bansa nag-invest na. So inaasahan natin na kung dito pa sila mag-manufacture, hindi tayo mauubusan ng bakuna na dito sa Pilipinas gagawin.
But as of the moment, while waiting for the cure, Secretary Roque reminds everyone to strictly follow the minimum public health standards. He said nowadays, the growth in COVID-19 cases is slowing down, but we must not be complacent. Meanwhile, on the issue of community quarantine, Secretary Roque has this reminder to the Octa research team, a group of experts from the academe, which he earlier advised not to publicize their recommendations, not to dictate them, but as a plea.
Tanging presidente lang naman po ang may kapangyarihan mag-impose ng quarantine dahil this is the exercise of police powers po. No? So kung ang mga rekomendasyon po nila has to do with yung quarantine classifications, kailangan i-address po yan sa presidente. Or kung ito po ay sa mga non-highly urbanized centers, i-address yan sa mga gobernador.
Mela Lesmoras for the Nation.